In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily embed a ConvertKit form into your WordPress site. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, many of you might be asking, what exactly is a ConvertKit form? Well, it's a fantastic tool for collecting email addresses and building your email list. Whether you're running a blog, a small business, or a creative project, having a solid email list is crucial for staying connected with your audience. So, let's jump right into how you can get your ConvertKit form integrated into your WordPress website seamlessly. First, you'll need to make sure you have a ConvertKit account. If you don't have one yet, head over to the ConvertKit website and sign up. They offer various pricing plans, and there's even a free tier that you can start with to test the waters. Once you've signed up and logged into your account, navigate to the Forms section. Typically, you'll find this in the dashboard sidebar. Now, let's create a new form. You'll see an option to create a new form, and when you click on that, ConvertKit will present you with some templates to choose from. You can pick a design that fits your site's style. Don't worry too much about the design at this stage. We can edit it later. After choosing a template, go ahead and give your form a name. Keep it simple and straightforward. Something like newsletter signup or subscription form works perfectly. Once you've named your form, it's time to customize it. Add the fields you feel are necessary. A standard email subscription form usually just requires a name and email address. You can add custom fields if you like, but for a simple approach, those two should suffice. Use the settings panel to tweak what the form looks like. You can change colors, fonts, and other elements to match your website's branding. Next, you'll want to adjust the form settings. Navigate into the Settings tab and decide what happens after someone submits the form. You can either send them to another page, show a thank you message, or even redirect them to a custom URL. Think about how you want to keep that engagement going and choose accordingly. Once you're satisfied with how your form looks and functions, it's time to publish it. Click on the Publish button, and after that, ConvertKit will generate an embed code for you. This part is crucial because it's what you're going to use to place the form on your WordPress site. Now that you have that embed code, open a new tab and navigate to your WordPress dashboard. From there, head over to the page or post where you want to display your ConvertKit form. If you're using the Gutenberg editor, you can easily add a new block. Search for the custom HTML block or simply paste the embed code directly into a paragraph block. Alternatively, if you are using the classic editor, switch to the text tab instead of visual so you can paste the embed code directly without any additional formatting issues. After pasting the code, don't forget to switch back to the visual tab to see how it looks. Once you've pasted your code in the desired place, click Update or Publish to save your changes. Now, head over to your website and refresh the page where you embedded the ConvertKit form. You should see it there, looking just as you designed it. Now, just to ensure everything's working, do a quick test. Try filling out the form with your email to see if you're receiving emails correctly. Also, check if the thank you message or the redirection works as you've set it up. So that's it. You've successfully embedded a ConvertKit form into your WordPress site. Remember, building your email list is an ongoing process, so keep engaging with your audience and consider updating your forms periodically to keep them fresh. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks.